Is your Apple Pay hitting you with an annoying add card through email message? Don't panic. We're diving into quick fixes to get your cards adding and your Apple Pay back on track in just a minute. First, let's verify your Apple ID email. Head into your iPhone settings, then tap on your name at the very top. Make sure the email address displayed here is the one you're actively using and that it matches the email associated with your bank or card issuer. Next, let's jump into your wallet app. Tap on the plus sign, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Select debit or credit card. Choose add card manually to ensure there are no sync issues. Carefully type in your card details, number, expiration date, and security code, double checking each entry. Now, let's check iCloud. Go back to settings, tap on your name, then select iCloud. Scroll down and make sure wallet is toggled on. This keeps your cards sensed across your Apple devices. Time for a quick system check. Go to settings, then general, and select date and time. Ensure that set automatically is toggled on. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with Apple Pay's security protocols. Still seeing the error? Let's update your iOS. Navigate to settings, then general, and select software update. Install any available updates, as these often include bug fixes related to Apple Pay. Finally, a simple, but often effective solution: restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can clear temporary glitches causing the issue. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you should be waving goodbye to that add card through email message and hello to seamless Apple Pay transactions. If problems persist, contact Apple support or your card issuer for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.